Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this radio is kind of unusual. Now this is sent in by Pat in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Pat has sent me 2 units. The next video will be on his other unit. On this particular unit, there was kind of a weird deal where the balance control and the AM/FM switch were mounted on a board that had to come out to make room for the conversion electronics. There was no reliable substitute for the AM/FM switch. The balance control, we have balance control using the tone control now. I'm going to demonstrate that. So, this is just decoration now, this balance control. We do have a balance control in the tone control. And then to switch between AM/FM on this unit, whereas we normally have the AM/FM switch, on this one we have to resort to the power cycling method to turn it off and to go between AM and FM. I'll demonstrate that, but that comes with a bonus. Most of your AM/FM tuners, not all of them, but most AM/FM tuners also mechanically switch between AM/FM, meaning that you can have 5 station presets on AM, you switch it to FM, you have 5 more station presets. So what we do now is we use this the power cycling method to switch between AM/FM, and this now becomes double the number of FM presets if you want. Instead of, this is normally AM and FM, and I've just converted it to basically bank 1 and bank 2. They can both be on FM. I'm going to demonstrate that in a moment here. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area. Let's turn it on. We'll demonstrate the balance and fader functions and all that.
Pursuit of happiness, you should pursue happiness like you pursue all
Okay, so
virtues.
there's our deal there.
It's easy
We're on
to be
AM.
miserable.
Now let's get our
Get it?
speaker meters in the
That's
picture.
easy. Takes no
Okay,
effort
we're going
to
to
be
adjust
miserable.
our left-right balance
Takes
using the
effort
tone control.
to be
Going to activate that right now.
or act happy.
Balance adjust.
And there we go.
Okay,
So now the
let's
same
see.
control is
Let
adjusting
us go
your
to-
left-right speaker balance.
Yes.
All the way left,
Atlanta, Georgia.
all the way
and
right.
John. Oh, John of
Left.
Atlanta.
right.
Hey, Dennis. As a married man,
Balance set.
Balance it. Okay, let's adjust the front-rear fader.
really,
Fader adjust.
Okay,
I don't
so
think
now
any of them
we're all the way
things feel
front,
like they're successful.
all the way
I don't
rear,
care what they bring home.
front.
It's a sign
rear.
of failure.
That, you
when
know
walk
what?
into the house.
I want to just say something to you.
Okay,
And
Fader
fader
set.
set. Okay, now we're going to switch to FM, and I'll show you how we've got 10 FM station presets instead of 5.
I never thought of that.
Okay, so to go between AM and FM, we turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We're on bank 1.
a Dios en medio del Santísimo.
56,
Oh, oh.
80.
Approved credit, not all models available. Fee.
Okay, now we go to bank 2. We're still on FM, but now we've got 5 more station presets.
But we need to expose the corruption.
Eli Crane.
So that's basically it. We now have, and this can be done on most radios. I did advertise it for a while. It didn't seem to get much response, so I don't really worry about it anymore. But on this particular radio, we now have 10 FM station presets. Or you can use either one. You can use them for AM and AM or FM. It just depends on the location of the pointer on the dial, and that's the ultimate guide there. So that concludes the test. Everything is working as well as it can. Everything we had to disable is covered by something else. The balance control is now done at the tone control. Your AM/FM switching can be done by power cycling, and you've got 10 station presets that you can use for FM. So that's a pretty cool deal. Let's just make sure the dial light lights up and turn this off. Make sure we get a dial light, and we do. Yeah, you can just barely see it light up, so we're good. Alrighty, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is kind of an unusual model. I haven't seen this one yet, and the customer didn't state the year. I don't think he just said AM/FM Ford stereo. So, at any rate, I can be reached for service through my website in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website and print out a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because 95% of your questions will be answered on the website and in the work order, including questions for turnaround time. I say that to almost every customer, and they still ask me. So the work order also includes the options for turnaround time on page 9. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Pat, for your business from Oklahoma City, and we'll see you guys next time.